Okay, so now that you have successfully installed Python, now let's store an IDE. An IDE is an integrated development environment. So here we're going to search for VS Code. Alright, we'll search for VS Code like this. Okay, and hit enter. Now a couple of Visual Studio Code will come up, but you must look for specific ones. So there are two: the one that is developed by Microsoft. All right. Okay, why is this taking time? Okay, so you are not going for this first one. All right, so now this, look at this here. So code.vscode, this is the correct one you should go for. code.vscode.com. all right, so this is the one you should go for. So don't go for any other one, but go for the so if I now click on download, for example, okay, so and it takes me to the download page here. So I can now select my machine. So if you are on Linux, if you are on Mac, if you are on Windows, so I believe I'm using Windows. I don't know your operating system, but just make sure you select the right one. Okay, so but I'm on Windows, so I'm going to click on the system installer. Okay, system installer. So I don't want to install the zip. I don't want to use the user installer, so it should be the system installer standalone. And so once I click on it, it will start downloading. All right, so now let's wait for it to finish downloading. Let's wait for it to finish downloading. So once you click on download, it will bring you here, and this will pop up for you to be able to save it. So if I go to my download folder, and then you can see what I'm having here. So I've already downloaded before, so as you can see here, Microsoft. So I have VS Code already in, so it doesn't just follow the prompt, and there you go. All right, so without much, so let's go into it and let's do it together. So if we go to the download folder, I'm going to open it now, and then we go to download. Okay, so here I want us to go to the VS Code, so I'll type V. Okay, so look at it here, VS Code user installer here. So I'll just click on it. So as you can see, okay, so it's already telling me that setup has detected that Visual Studio Code is currently running. Okay, so I had my Visual Studio running, so it's already open, so you can see. So you can just go ahead and just follow the prompt and install it. All right, so that is it about installing Visual Studio Code.